Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're checking out the LEGO Icons Lamborghini Countach 5000 Quattrovalvole, a stunning and highly detailed collectible car kit that's perfect for adult builders and car enthusiasts. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link in the description to grab this set at the best discounted price available right now. Let's get into it. Brick emoji, build experience. This set includes 1,506 pieces and delivers a satisfying, immersive build from start to finish. The engineering behind the model is smart, with creative part usage that brings out the sleek and aggressive lines of the real Lamborghini Countach. It's not too overwhelming for casual builders, but definitely engaging enough for experienced LEGO fans. Car emoji, design and features. Once built, this model is an absolute head-turner. LEGO did a fantastic job replicating the iconic wedge-shaped design of the Countach QV. Key highlights include scissor-style doors that open upward just like the real supercar. A detailed V12 mid-engine, visible through the rear. A well-crafted interior, complete with red bucket seats, steering wheel, and gear shift. Authentic exterior touches like deep dish rims, wide taillights, air intakes, and a bold rear spoiler. The final model measures over 13.9 inches, 35.4 centimeters, long, making it a substantial display piece for any shelf, desk, or LEGO showcase. Present emoji, final thoughts. If you're into LEGO, Lamborghinis, or both, the LEGO Icons Lamborghini Countach 5000 QV is an absolute must-have. It offers a perfect mix of display-worthy aesthetics and a rewarding building process. Whether you're gifting it or adding it to your own collection, this is one of those kits that really stands out. Check out the link in the description for the best price today, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome builds and collector gear.